It says apply with your fingers, so hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it has been a while, but I am back. I have been MIA making ring lights. So if you do not know and you want a ring light of your own, I make them. Okay, so just hit me up. So today I will be doing a product testing and review from a skincare brand here in Belize that I have not tried before. So let's get into this. Skincare business that I am reviewing today is Nari Skin Care. I heard about it after I did my sugar waxing review, and so I hit the company up. They hit me back and I got a sample. If you know me, you know I am in love with products that are made out of honey or have some type of honey ingredient in there. So she sent me a product listing of her newly introduced honey face scrubs, and out of the three of them I selected the Golden Glow that has turmeric in it because according to her product description, it brightens the skin, fights acne, and it is anti-aging as well. And your girl has some discoloration going on, so we will see what this brand does for us. Here is the package that was sent to me. Now let's open it up. I got a business card. Just put it somewhere over here. It says, "Thank you for your purchase. Don't forget to take your self-care selfie and tag us." Has their number, their contact information, their Facebook name, and their Instagram name, and it has their logo as well. I got sent an 8-ounce Golden Glow scrub, and this is how it looks. Oh, it has their logo and the instructions right here, so that's cool. It says, use Nari face scrub twice a week for smooth soft skin. To avoid irritation, apply with hands on clean wet skin using circular motions, and you leave it on for 5 minutes, then rinse with warm water. That is the instructions on what to do. On the lid it has, this antioxidant rich face scrub is made with turmeric to restore your skin's natural glow, fight acne, and reduce hyperpigmentation. Oh my gosh, pigmentation is my... Moving on, let's give it a try. Okay. You know those products that smells so good that you want to eat it? This is one of them. I mean, the sugar wax was one of them as well. My plan, like how I did my first skincare review about a month back, my plan is to give this a try for an entire month, do a before and after every week, and see if this is actually helping my skin or if it's making it worse or if it's drying my skin, stuff like that. So that will be my plan for the remainder of June. Then I can be like a definite, y'all go try this, it is really good type of thing. But for now, let's just see how it goes on your skin. So I'll just go and quickly wet my face and give this a try. Okay, so my face is wet. I'll just put my hair at the back and we'll get it started. Okay. Ooh, wait a minute. I did not expect that. I thought it was like watery, but it's actually like thick. That's cool though, that's cool. That's cool. This is how it looks. It says apply with your fingers, so oh. Let's just restart the progress. Okay, it's like, oh. I haven't used like a face scrub type of thing for a while now. Yo, this is kind of hard with your hands, man. It's kind of hard. So that's it. That's a timer. I will now go and wash my face with the warm water, and I will be right back. I'm back. I am back. Excuse my shirt. So let's have a little chat, okay? My skin right now feels so nourished. It feels so smooth, like it feels really smooth. It feels exfoliating. I think I will really enjoy using this product throughout this month. Like, I think I will like this product a lot. For starters, I like the smell. The smell is amazing. I like that. Like, I hate chemical smell products. Like, I just dislike it, so that's a plus for me. The only downfall I would say is like the application process. I had a bit of a hard time applying it on my skin. It kept falling. It kept like, it's a bit messy, but I can live with messy as long as the product is doing what it is supposed to do, so that can pass. Like, that can pass for now. During the 5 minutes of having it on, you can actually like feel your skin like really soaking in the product, and I like that feeling. Y'all know that feeling. It's the best feeling, so that is another plus. So let's see what happens over a month time. Let's see if my skin will get back its color, because I have a lot of hyperpigmentation going on. Let's see if this product fixes that. And yeah, that's about it. That's my review on Nari Skin Care Belize, and I will leave their link down below so you can go and check out their profile on Instagram. They have a lot of skincare products. They have face mists, they have scrubs, they have a ton of products, so you can go and check them out, hit them up, and shop yours today. Bye.